right, let's go ahead and have some fun on Easter Sunday. We just caught the light too. I'm telling you, man, the downshifts are amazing. No rev match, by the way. Bro. God. You know, I pissed off a lot of people over there, man. People trying to enjoy their Easter Sunday time off. I'm out here just blowing everybody's eardrums out and shit. Take these turns like I could with the other tires. With the Michelin I can, but not with the Mickeys. I put in the wrong gear. Hey, this is so crazy. This route is like A1. Dude, I know they're like laughing and shit. Quiet mode over here, but you never know. Like, this is like a perfect route because you get all like the trees, the houses, and like the buildings to bounce the sound off of, so it sounds crazy. And even in quiet mode, it sounds nuts. You can tell the difference, man. When I shut the valves, like, this car it's quiet as hell with the long tubes. I'm telling you, it's quieter than stock with the long tubes with the valves closed. It really is. downshifting at 5K at like 50 miles an hour, man. This hoe is screaming. Alright, I gotta hit this roundabout. Some nice cars up there too. Yeah, that's a nice ass Mustang. Hell yeah. That's a nice ass Mustang back there. Hell yeah. Every shift. How much gas do I got left? 36 miles. Shit. Hope y'all enjoyed that. That was hell yeah.